हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। तो आज फिर एक नए ब्लॉग के साथ आपके सामने पेश हुआ हूँ आफ्टर ए वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम। यू कैन सी दिस पार्किंग इज़ कवर्ड विद ऑल द व्हीकल्स, क्योंकि पीछे ना पार्किंग जो 4 व्हीलर्स है वो इनकी पार्किंग यहीं पे होगी। तो मीनवाइल कैंपस में यूनिवर्सिटी में गाड़ियाँ बंद हो गई हैं, बट सारी गाड़ियाँ यहाँ बैक साइड ही आएंगी यहाँ पे। So it's only because the next visit is happening today, and you can see all the vehicles are just being parked over here, and the university has been stagnated with this vehicles and all stuff, and students are coming from there. So you can see no vehicle has been allowed to enter in the campus. So here you can see the congestion of vehicles happened over here, or only 2 wheelers are allowed, that too being asked to park in the respective departments. And you can see the campus is बात यह है कि कैंपस में बिल्कुल भी गाड़ी नहीं दिखाई दे रही। देखो बिल्कुल ऐसे खुला खुला। आज एक्चुअली इट्स हैपनिंग बिकॉज NAC visit is scheduled today, so you can see the beautiful University of Jammu. So you can also as you can see there is no 4 wheelers, and you can see the shuttle service as usual is coming from the front. And आप इस शटल सर्विस का यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ये देखो, सो कोई भी यहाँ पे आपको ना कोई मोटरसाइकिल दिखेगा ना व्हीकल दिखेगी। तो डिपार्टमेंट आज नए की विज़िट आ रही है। देखो डिपार्टमेंट कितने साफ़ सुथरी यूनिवर्सिटी हो गई है। और ये देखिए, देखो द बिजनेस स्कूल कितना सही हो गया है। The one and the most beautiful department of the Jammu University is the business school. So one of my brother is member of Legislative Assembly. He was the faculty of this department as well. And you can see, take a look at the beautiful department of this Jammu University. And meanwhile you can also have a look at this happening. So all this has happened because of this NAC visit. The university is looking so much amazing. Let me show you the department. Let me show you the department of this library science. I will show you from this. Let me zoom from this side. But for the time being, I also have uploaded a shot for the Dhanvantri library, the beautiful serene beauty of this Dhanvantri library. You can also have a look at this physics department. And these shuttle services are totally free for the university fraternity. And you can also the congestion free zone, no vehicles are being allowed over here. And you can see these four wheelers, the parking which were used by this 4-wheeler has been taken over by these 2 wheelers. And let me show you how much this beautiful environment department is looking at. They have taken so much very amazing and good initiative to cover this best out of waste. You can have a look at this. the best and the judicious use of this, you know, scraps, the tires. And meanwhile you can see one and only the stag over here, Sambar. So this is it. So guys, this was it for today. The vlog happened after a very long time, and yeah, keep me tuned for the upcoming vlogs. And yes guys, have a look at the front of this department. You can also have a look at this home science department, which is very much beautifully, you know, has taken up. And yeah, this was it. Stay tuned for the upcoming vlogs. Let me show you inside of this department as well. Yeah, this is the department.